Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. I am Rhea Visayson, and I'll be discussing about a subordinate clause. What is subordinate clause? A subordinate clause is a dependent clause. Although it still has a subject and a predicate, it cannot stand on its own as a sentence and needs a main clause to be complete. Example: I was finishing my work when you arrived. So the main clause here is I was finishing my work, and the subordinate clause is when you arrive. So the formula here is subject plus verb predicate plus conjunction plus subject plus verb predicate. Example: he ran fast because he didn't want to get caught. So the main clause here is he ran fast, and the subordinate clause is because he didn't want to get caught. So the formula that is used here is subject plus verb predicate plus conjunction plus subject plus verb predicate. Another example: I was finishing my work when you arrived. The main clause here is I was finishing my work, and the subordinate clause is when you arrived. The formula that is used here is subject plus verb predicate plus conjunction plus subject and plus verb predicate. And last example: she was the woman who he made a promise to. So the main clause here is she was the woman, and the subordinate clause is whom he made a promise to. The formula that is used here is subject plus verb predicate plus conjunction plus subject plus verb predicate. A subordinate clause is reliant on the rest of the sentence, since alone it does not make sense, such as he didn't want to be caught, whom she made promise to, and when you arrived. How will you identify a subordinate clause? Some subordinate or dependent clause will begin with a conjunction. Example: because, after, since, whether, while, or a pronoun. Example: that, who, which. This combination of words will not form a complete sentence. It will instead make a reader want more information to finish the thought. Example: if you win the award, I will buy you a new video game. So the first clause is subordinate and the second is the main clause. The formula that is used here is conjunction plus subject plus verb predicate plus subject plus verb predicate. Another example: unless you hurry, you will be late for your second job. So the first clause is the subordinate and the second clause is the main. The formula that is used here is conjunction plus subject plus verb predicate plus subject plus verb predicate. Adjective clause. An adjective clause is a type of subordinate clause that modifies a noun or pronoun. An adjective clause may begin with the relative pronoun who, whom, whose, that which, where, or when. It normally follows the word it modifies. Examples: movies that have highly challenging are my favorite. Another example: the store where I buy sells the best items. Take note that in the first sentence above, the word movies is modified by the clause that have highly challenging plot, while the store it modifies the clause where I buy. So this is the formula for the adjective clause. The main clause subject in the sentence is the movies, while the adjective clause is that have highly challenging, and the main clause predicate is the plots are my favorite. Another example: the store is the main clause, where I buy is the adjective clause, and sells the best items is the main clause predicate. Take note, in the first sentence above, the word movies is modified by the clause that have highly challenging plots, while the store modifies the clause where I buy. Some relative pronouns in the adjective clauses are dropped from the beginning. Consider the examples below. The sequel, The Twilight Saga, is the movies that I like best. The sequel, The Twilight Saga, is the movie I like best. The movie that won the award is on TV. The movie that won the award is on TV. The man who I met yesterday was friendly. The man I met yesterday was friendly. The book which I borrowed was interesting. The book I borrowed was interesting. Here, who cannot be dropped since it is the subject. Some adjective clauses are necessary to make the meaning of the sentence clear. These adjective clauses are called essential clause or restrictive clause. Restrictive adjective clause must not be set off with commas. Examples: movies that have no substance bore me. The authors whom life began writing during the Renaissance period. In the sentence, movies that have no substance bore me, the adjective clause or the restricted clause here is that have no substance. Another example, another whom life began writing during the Renaissance period. The adjective clause or the restricted clause is whom like. Compare the sentences. The movies that have no substance bore me, and movies bore me. The authors whom I like began writing during the Renaissance period. The authors began writing during the Renaissance period. In both sentences, the adjective clause are essential since they specify the nouns they modify, such as the only those movies that have substance bore me, the speaker, not all movies. In the same manner, that only those authors that the speaker like, not all the authors.